let me get on to the literary piece that I'm going to share with you today. And it's one of my favorites and our crowning glory, Rabindranath Tagore. He's written a very simple but a very beautiful piece on paper boats. Listen carefully, because you shall need all this when you're writing. Go back to this piece forever for inspiration. Here I go. It's called Paper Boats, and Rabindranath Tagore says, day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with surely flowers, flowers from our garden, and hope those blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting the white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them, and the lading is their baskets full of dreams.